to draw a beautiful and different house. Stay with me until the end. You can draw beautiful drawings with simple shapes. Drawing a house is my favorite drawing. How about you? What is your favorite drawing? This house is in the shape of an apple. Two circle windows like this. Two beautiful flowers around this house makes the drawing more attractive. It's time to color. You can use your favorite colors. Yellow, orange, a little green and blue. Red, blue, yellow, green, pink, a little blue, orange, purple, dark blue, brown, keep coloring with brown. And red. A little green. Red for this shape. What a beautiful house! Let's draw more. the shape of the house with these simple shapes and lines. We draw the door of the house and the heart on the door. Draw two beautiful rectangular windows on both sides of the door. Draw with me. And the window in the upper part of the house. Now it's the turn of flowers and tree near this house. Draw the tree like me. A few pieces of clouds and a bright sun make this painting more beautiful. It's time to color. Red, yellow, blue for windows. You can paint the house with your favorite colors. Pink, orange, be creative and use any color you like. I'm enjoying these beautiful colors. How about you? Green, purple, yellow, red, and green for the flower. Brown and green for the tree. Green again. Blue for clouds and yellow for the sun. What a beautiful house! I like it. Let's draw more. Let's go to draw another beautiful house. First, we draw a square and then we connect two lines like this on top of it. Now a rectangle. With these shapes and lines, we will complete the roof of the house. The chimney is ready to put out little clouds of smoke on a chilly day. Now 3 windows and the entrance door of the house. will draw the fence around the garden and the house in this way. Fantastic! The garden path is waiting for little feet to run and play. Finally, a bright sun. It's time to color. Brown color to show the wooden door of the house. The bright yellow house looks so warm and cozy. The blue windows are like tiny mirrors reflecting the sunny sky. Orange, blue for windows, pink, orange again, the red roof makes the house look like a yummy candy house. Yellow and gray. The wooden fence is like a friendly guard keeping the garden safe. The big smiling sun is shining brightly, giving warmth to the house. Please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.